Namaste. Today we will solve question number 1 from exercise 11.4 class 7 maths NCERT. Let's have a look on the question. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path. Also find the area of the garden in hectare. As I always keep on telling you, please read this question correctly, completely and carefully. Break the question in parts and visualize the question. So here, let us try to understand this question. We have a garden given to us whose length is 90 meter and which is 75 meter broad. 5 meter wide path has to be constructed outside and around it, something like this. So we have to find the area of the path as well as area of the garden. Now what is the strategy to solve this question? First we will find area of the garden including path, that means this part, and then we will find area of the garden, that is this part. We will subtract area of this part from area of garden including part, that is this garden, this shape. After subtracting, we will get area of the path. That means let's create a formula for this. Area of path is equal to area of garden with path minus area of garden. So let's solve this. First, convert this information into geometrical diagram. So this is our garden, which is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. 5 meter wide, a path has to be constructed. So let us denote that using this dotted line. Now, to solve this question, it will be more easy if we give it some name. So we will label it over here. Let's say this ABCD be a garden. So this is our ABCD. PQRS be a garden with path, that means outermost rectangle. So here it is PQRS. Now our formula will become something like this, that area of path is equal to area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. Area of PQRS, which is rectangle, so area is equal to length into breadth. Same way, area of ABCD is equal to length into breadth. Here if you have noticed, I have used capital letter and small letter to denote both different length of two different rectangles. Please keep that in your mind. And to get the dimension of these rectangles, we need to understand this diagram very well. So here our garden ABCD. So for ABCD, that means this part information has been already given to us, that is length is 90 meter, that is 75 meter. So L is equal to 90 meter and breadth is equal to 75 meter. Please pay attention while you are watching this part, because this is the only crucial portion of the solution. Once you understand this, rest of the question will be automatically understood. Now for this PQRS, that is garden including path, that means this rectangle, we have to find length, which is this one, but no measurement has been given to us. But you can see here this length of CD, which is actually same as this part of RS, right? Listen, CD is part of this RS, but at the same time this part, though also having same length of SR, but this time this length includes this gap also and this gap also, that is of 5 meter. So length for this PQRS become 90 plus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 100 meter. Hope you have understood. Let's try to understand about its breadth. This is the breadth, which includes breadth of this, that is 75 meter, but also includes gap of this 5 meter and this 5 meter. So breadth become 75 plus 5 plus 5, that is 85 meter. So here we got the dimension of both the rectangles. So for ABCD, length is equal to 90 meter, breadth is equal to 75 meter. For PQRS, length is equal to 100 meter and breadth is equal to 85 meter. So now let us go back to our formula. Area of path is equal to area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. Now area of PQRS, that is length into breadth, substituting the value, we got 8500 meters square. That is our first result. Area of ABCD, that is also rectangle, that is also L into B, and substituting the value, we got 6750 meters square, and that is our result 2. Now substituting these both results in main formula, that area of path is equal to 8500 minus 6750, that is equal to 1750 meters square. So first answer we got over here. And another question, that area of the garden in hectare. So area of the garden, that is this ABCD, already found in result 2, that is 6750 meters square. We know that 10,000 meters square is equal to 1 hectare. So area of garden is equal to 6750 divided by 10,000, that is 0.675 hectare. This way we can solve this. Hope you understood, but still you will be in a confusion that how to write in a notebook. To know that, please check the link given in the description. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.